Hello, and welcome back to WoodenRailwayStudio. Here is a video of my some more ERTL vehicles. They are a little harder to find than the ones in part 1. If you didn't see part 1, on the screen now is a link to the video to watch part 1. First we have Henrietta. 1991. Here we have Daisy. This one's pretty neat because the long diesels are very hard to find in any package. Daisy is a classy, sassy passenger diesel. She believes that she should only carry passengers and never ever pulls, although she will help out in an emergency. That's on a 1992 card. Here we have Duck, the Great Western Railway Pannier tank engine. Really long title. Also known as Montague, Duck is always cheerful and is happiest when busy. On a 1992 card. Then here we just have a Toby the Tram engine, just like the one that appeared in the previous video, on a 1992 card and everything. Now here we have an extremely rare BoCo. Like I said, the long diesels are always highly desirable. BoCo is no exception. This BoCo is very, very hard to find. BoCo, a diesel engine, has proven himself to have a remarkable personality and a true sense of humor. This is on a 1992 card. But I mean, BoCo is rare in any kind of model he's made in. Wooden Railway is rare. ERTL is rare. Every BoCo is rare. Then here we have City of Truro from Harrods. I guess that's like a store in Britain. Pretty interesting. I always like this kind of card. You don't see too many ERTL vehicles and trains like that on that style of card. Now here I have two Mavises from the original packing design from 1993. This one doesn't even have the, I still don't know what you would call it, but the rack hole, I don't know, punched out. Really interesting. Now on the back you can see all the other kinds that you can get in the series, and some information about ERTL. Here is Sir Topham Hatt and the Engineer. People pack. Something you don't see every day. Sir Topham Hatt and the Engineer work hard to keep everything and everybody running smoothly at the station. Well, I see this came from Zany Brainy. 1992 card. And now here, this is really neat. A Trevor the traction engine from Harrods in a 1990 card. So this is the original packing design as well, just like Mavis. These are always hard to get, and whenever you can get them for a good price, I would suggest two. because you don't see too many of these every day. Really interesting. Now here we have Percy at the turntable, ERTL playset. Yeah, mini adventure playset, where it has a mini adventure Percy. Excuse me. Like this. Really small. And if you want to compare with the regular Percy, it's really small. But this is the kind of Percy that comes in the Percy and at the turntable playset. As you can see up close, it's really interesting. We really never see these little miniature playsets anymore. Most of them were either never purchased and were sent back to ERTL, or they were opened, and then I bet a lot of kids lost the little miniature pieces, because I mean they are really small. I guess that's why they didn't make too many of them, because choking hazards and all that stuff. Really interesting piece though. Here's a set of troublesome trucks. Shining Time Station card from 1992. Whoever gets stuck pulling them is in for a double dose of trouble. Now here is a really neat Percy the Small Engine with Annie and Clarabel 3-pack. So like it says, features Percy, Annie, and Clarabel. And it even has 2 pegs to stand on, to sit on it. It's from 1992. Now this I thought was neat. A Donald and Douglas twin pack. This one is extremely heavy, because it features both Donald and Douglas in one pack. On the Shining Time Station card from 1992. Donald and Douglas. The Scottish twins hate to be parted, and they enjoy a joke, especially when outsiders can't tell them apart. But I mean, this is again a very rare 2-pack. I don't know if they ever made them separate or not, but I have the twin pack. It's really neat. Now here is an original Daisy. With the original design. Another long diesel, hard to find, from 1993, with all the other available characters at the time. And finally for this video, something interesting, but I don't think very rare. Thomas the Tank Engine Bathtub Squirter. So, I guess how this works, I don't know. But just something definitely you don't see every day. Really interesting. From, let's see, 1992. Interesting. Well, thank you for viewing my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and share my videos on any social media outlet you belong to. Thank you. Goodbye.